Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make what I would like to call tree frames or tree windows. Call them what you will, since you can pretty much hang them anywhere you want to create the illusion of window frames or portals. You will start by laying out plenty of this blanket plant cover I like to use for my projections. This very affordable fabric is durable with stretch to it and is designed to be outdoors. It also projects really well and is available in many different sizes. In this image, I'm showing you exactly which mini greenhouse frames I use to save me some time. You will not need the sidebars that come with the kit, and with one mini greenhouse, you can create two different frames. You can also make these from PVC piping or wood, but it may take a lot of time and effort that you can save by using these frames. With a simple hot glue gun, this fabric will stick really well to the metal frame and will have enough tension to create a flat screen that will last all season. Once you start doing the opposite side, this is where you can ensure the fabric is tightly glued in place. Cut any excess fabric you may end up after stretching the fabric. You are now ready to hang from a porch ceiling, or as you can see here, a boring tree that I wanted to liven up as part of my show. The goal of this tree was to give viewers a more interactive view of my favorite atmosfx videos and snow globe ornaments I like to use. You will route twine or rope on the top bar of the frame, and then you will want to secure the frame from each side as well. This creates a triangular support that will keep these frames in position all season long. This is what the final product looks like during the day. You are now ready to map any media or videos from atmosfx, which brings viewers' attention really well. If you're unsure about how to map individual videos, I will include a link to some of my tutorials which show you how to add multiple videos in different locations using only one projector for front and rear projection. I can't wait to see some of your creations that you will make using this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, leave feedback, share, and also follow for future content that will help some of your cool projections stand out.